Welcome to Amadeus Pricing and Issue Ticket. Step-by-step guided learning with Gemini. Please copy the prompt from the video description and paste it into Gemini. The prompt reads, I would like to learn Amadeus Pricing and Ticketing in a practical, step-by-step manner. Please act as my Amadeus tutor and guide me through the fundamentals of pricing and ticketing. Now, let's begin our learning journey. Before we begin the hands-on simulation, we requested Gemini to provide a conceptual overview. Let's start by breaking down the three core components of the Amadeus ticketing workflow. First, pricing commands. Pricing is the step where Amadeus calculates the correct fare for the flights you have booked. Your objective here is to determine the correct fare basis, taxes, and total ticket value, and then store this information in a TST, which stands for Transitional Stored Ticket. You can think of the TST as the digital pricing record attached to your PNR. The most important command here is FXP. FXP prices the itinerary exactly as booked and automatically creates and stores the TST in the PNR. There is also FXX, which only displays a price on the screen without saving it. This is used for informational pricing, not for ticket issuance. Moving on to the second component, updating the TST with mandatory data. Even after you run FXP, you cannot issue the ticket yet. You must tell the system how the client is paying and what commission applies. The key command here is FP, which stands for Form of Payment. For example, if the client is paying by cash, the command is simply FP Cash. If they are paying by card, you would enter FPCC followed by the card details. You must also specify the commission using the FM command. Even if the commission is 0, the system usually requires you to enter FM0 to validate the TST. FV, the validating carrier, which identifies the airline whose ticket stock will be used. These three elements are mandatory before ticketing. Finally, we arrive at the third component, ticket issuance. Once the price is stored and the payment is defined, we are ready to generate the electronic ticket numbers. The command for this is TTP, which stands for Ticket Transaction Print. When you enter TTP, Amadeus performs the final validation, charges the form of payment, and issues the ticket. If successful, the system will respond with an OK message and generate the ticket numbers inside the PNR. Now, let's move to the practical exercise. Our scenario is a round-trip booking from Addis Ababa to New York, departing on March 10, 2026 and returning on March 31st. Assume the flights are already booked in the PNR. Step 1 is to price the itinerary. We need to price the booked flights and create the TST record so the booking can be prepared for issuance. What command would you enter to price the itinerary and automatically store the TST? Enter FXP command to price all flight segments and passenger in a PNR. That is correct. You enter FXP. FXP calculates the fare and creates the TST. At this point, Amadeus knows the price of the ticket, but it still needs your ticketing instructions. This brings us back to the ticketing qualifiers we mentioned earlier: commission, form of payment, and validating carrier. First, commission. How would you enter a command to set the commission to 0%? Enter FM0. Spot on. You enter FM0 correctly sets the commission to 0%. Now, we need to specify how the client is paying for the ticket. This is done with the form of payment element. What command would you enter to set the form of payment to cash? FPCASH tells the system we are collecting cash for this transaction. Spot on. FPCASH tells the system we are collecting cash for this transaction. We now have our price, our commission, and our form of payment. Finally, we specify the validating carrier. This tells the system whose ticket stock we are using. The FV element is generally updated automatically within the PNR at the time of the FXP transaction. Assuming we are issuing this on Ethiopian Airlines, code ET, what command would you enter? Enter FVET. That is correct. FVET. This tells the system to validate the ticket on Ethiopian Airlines stock. At this stage, our ticket is fully prepared. The price is stored through FXP, commission is set with FM0, payment is recorded with FP cash, and the carrier is set with FVET. Now only one step remains, issuing the ticket. Based on our initial overview, what is the command to print and issue the ticket? Enter the TTP command to issue tickets covering all passengers and flight segments within the PNR. Correct. Enter TTP. When you enter TTP, Amadeus generates the e-ticket numbers and confirms issuance, typically responding with a message such as OK e-ticket. The ticket numbers are then automatically updated in the PNR. And that concludes our basic workflow. To recap what we covered today, we started by calculating the fare using FXP, followed by adding commission FM0. Followed by adding form of payment, FP cash, followed by adding validating carrier, FVET, and finally we issued the ticket using TTP. Remember, you can keep the prompt we used today to ask Gemini about any errors you encounter, or to ask about more advanced command variations. In the upcoming videos, we'll show you how Google Gemini can supercharge your self-learning in the travel industry, handling more complex queries as you grow. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and watch your workflow become faster, smarter, and easier. See you in the next video. Thumbs up. Thanks for watching.